Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and dense woods, lived a curious young girl named Lila. With her bright blue eyes and boundless curiosity, she was known for her love of exploring the unknown. One sunlit morning, as she wandered near the edge of the forest, she noticed a mysterious, glowing path. Intrigued, she followed it, unaware of the adventure that awaited her. As Lila ventured deeper into the forest, the air grew thick with magic. Enchanted flowers whispered secrets, and trees hummed lullabies. Suddenly, a rustling sound caught her attention. Out stepped a talking fox with fiery red fur and wise eyes. "I am Fennel," he introduced himself. "You must turn back, little one. There is great danger hidden deep within this forest." But Lila's curiosity was irrevocable. "What danger?" she asked. "And why should I turn back?" Fennel hesitated, then said, "The forest is under a dark curse. Only the crystal of light can save it." Determined, Lila replied, "Then we must find this crystal." Impressed by her bravery, Fennel agreed to guide her, and together they set off on their quest. Their journey was fraught with challenges. They crossed rickety bridges over bottomless ravines and navigated mazes of thorny vines. Along the way, they met a wise old owl named Orin, who offered cryptic riddles to guide them. "Seek the place where moonlight dances," he hooted. "There, you shall find a clue." Lila and Fennel followed Orin's riddles, each step filling the forest with more hope. They discovered a mischievous sprite named Twinkle, who used her shimmering light to help them find hidden paths and avoid traps. Twinkle, despite her playful nature, was a loyal friend and guided them through dark caves with her sparkling glow. Their biggest challenge came when they met a gentle giant named Bramble. He stood before a colossal stone door, barring their way. "To pass," Bramble rumbled, "you must solve the riddle of my heart." With the help of Orin's wisdom, Twinkle's light, and Fennel's cunning, Lila solved the puzzle, and Bramble stepped aside with a smile. Beyond the door lay the crystal of light, glowing with an ethereal radiance. As Lila approached, shadows lurched to claim it, but her new friends united in an epic battle against the darkness. Lila grasped the crystal, and a wave of light surged through the forest, breaking the curse. The forest burst into vibrant life, colors more vivid than ever. Enchanted creatures danced in joy, and the air was filled with melodious enchantments. Lila and her friends were hailed as heroes, forever bonded by their courageous journey. When Lila returned to her village, she couldn't forget the magic of the enchanted forest. She knew that friendships, bravery, and protecting nature could light up even the darkest paths.